trust you.
Okay. Okay, she's moving.
Why didn't we get a left turn light? It does that, it's so annoying. Bullshit, look at this shit. Oh my god.
On the record about what kind of behavior he's guilty of and what he was saying and doing while running, in particular, the George Floyd case, the case against Derek Jones. She says at her deposition,
I didn't think I'd make it. I was in.
Ух ты, блядь. Стоять нахуй.
Ой, сука, все. Пидоры, блядь. Как это он так?
Предназначена для передачи.
О! Что это? Блядь, сука!
It's also important to outline, we're not saying that Charles was like a bad person or did anything expressly evil, but because the way the law was written at the time, it let people get away with this. But it seems that Charles, even if he didn't work with them directly, he was definitely knowledgeable.
Probably go by ground shipping then? I don't think it'll take a little longer to my location. But okay.
After lying still and recovering for a few seconds, she crawled toward the front of the truck, slipped down onto the cab, and then climbed down the side of it, using the side view mirror and door handle as toe holds and grips. Once she was on the concrete floor, Ballard checked the warehouse's doors to see if she would have a quick escape route.
Turn right onto East Broad Street.
Oh, wow, I haven't been in this little section in a long time.
Gun and you don't, like, you still want to fight. And then I'm like, well, obviously, no, I don't want to fight, because if you're about to shoot me over me honking my horn, then, like, no. But, you know, it was, like, a weird, because I was peed off, but also it's like a gun and you don't, like, you still want to fight. And then I'm like, well, obviously, no, I don't want to fight, because if you're about to shoot me over me honking my horn, then, like, no. But, you know, it was, like, a weird, because I was peed off, but also it was, like, a gender thing at that point, too. Like, he's trying to assert his dominance over me, basically, be like,
All caught on camera.
The license plate's out there, but the trick is getting one with the number that's good, because a lot of them, they're just been reused. But they're out there. What year are you looking for?
31.
Oh, yeah? Yeah, it'll be a little harder than 55, I think. Well, you should, oh, this guy. Oh, look out, everybody.
Experience. Oh, Salazar told you about the wreck. You didn't have to, I knew. You're not the first to founder of Ship-Trap Island.
Take the next left on the Post Creek Road.
AutoZone and get a few things, and then heading back to the office now. Oh shit, I was in a bad accident. Holy shit, dude!
Well, yes, all of that is true. But scouting goes beyond the bush.
Holy shit!
Service and in Renang Darussalam is about shaping young people into responsible, caring, and proactive citizens.
I'm out of here, dude.
Persatuan Serikat Negara Pendidikan Darussalam or PPNBD isn't just an organization for youth. It's a movement, it's a family of scouts, rovers, volunteers, and leaders who believe in giving back.